up, guys? What up, YouTube? We back, baby. Blessed Sunday. Happy Sunday to everyone. We're on the way to Ocean Reef Park in Jupiter, Florida. It's about an hour away from our house. We got it down to 15 minutes away. It's a nice little state park. It has a huge rock right there on the beach that you get to snorkel, jump off of, have fun, and it's a beautiful beach nonetheless. Alright guys, we're in Riviera Beach. This is their downtown area. Johnny Longboats. Some sports bars. It's 9:40, so it's still very early. Castaways. Nice little sports bar right there. Sweet Treats ice cream. Oh, nice little. They got some live music you can hear. Riviera Beach, get that. Riviera Beach, guys. Mulligan's a cool spot. All you need to reach the beach. This has probably got towels, everything in there. Umbrellas. We might have to come in there. Did you bring our floats? Nice. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
See, they're real nice here, man. This is the rich people. Ocean Reef Park, baby. We have arrived. Beautiful day today. Free of charge. There's barbecue grills, there's showers. I like it. You guys will see right now. We're here, baby. Ocean Reef Park. Beautiful, beautiful morning. So we came to Riviera Beach here, guys, in Ocean Reef Park because we heard there's some big underwater rocks that we're about to go explore. So we're really excited. Flat water condition, high tide at 11. Beautiful day. Look at these flowers. These. Beautiful beach. Crazy with no umbrella. Oh, here's the sandy part. Beautiful waters, guys. Beautiful waters. Beautiful beach. Right here in Riviera, Florida. Riviera Beach. About to snorkel that reef. Walk into the reef right there, guys. Mask ready to go. We're doing it no fins. First time. It's Britt's first time. You nervous? Excited? Nice. Exactly how it should be. This is, bro. Look at the color of this water. Right on the beach, guys. Oh. Look at this one, bro. Look at this. Huh? Yeah, it was just further away from like the big reef. A nice needlefish?
Yeah, nice long needlefish.
Oye, they got cool. Florida beaches, baby. Doesn't get any better than Florida beaches. Bahamas are beautiful, but this is right here in Florida, South Florida.